Yeah, I'm just gonna cover it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Are you gonna get on my shoulder?
Yes. Wait, hold on. Yes, you love people see your butt.
Woo!
Go.
Ah!
Get on her fucking shoulders.
Okay, can you tie me?
What do you want? What do you want? I am a sexy beast.
Hold on, let me call it.
If you fall.
What do you mean? Oh, I would.
Hold on, I vibrated.
Oh, I would what? Oh, I would what?
Never mind, get back over here.
Wait. Oi? Did you say oi? Julissa. That's just embarrassing.
I'm hungry.
Do you have your chest feeding?
No.
What? Good. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Good hot.
Who are you talking to?
Russell.
You're obsessed. No.
No, I'm not. Yeah.
Okay, look at that little thing.
Oh my god.
God, that's laughing. Okay, you guys need to stop laughing. Seriously. She's gonna drop me that Hurry up! You guys don't have to giggle.
Say it first.
Dad, Bob.
I'm happy you're just like.
It's just like holding up your hair. No.
Hold on to her. Help her. No.
Holding on to your hair.
Oh my gosh. You're touching the floor. Like you're so She's touching the floor.
Oh my god, let me see. Okay, let's go.
No.
I'm not that happy. Just a little bit of laughing.
I'm serious, get on. We have to hold her.
Okay.
I actually gotta grab it on your hand.
Hold on to her, like, help her push her up.
Okay, let me put.
Why can't we just like stack pillows?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's safe about it.
We're not being safe. Okay.
Just drop her. Damn, things going speedy fast.
I got a wedge.
I got a win. Can't stop it.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm sorry, do it again. You want to do it again? Have it now.
Yeah.